Hello everyone, welcome back to Victor's Analytics Hub. And in this video, we are going to be creating our dashboard. Okay, so before we get started, let's take a look at our table. Currently, I'm in my sales table. So let's start with customer table. Okay, so you can see I have my customer ID, my customer name, address, city, state, and zip code. Okay, my sales table, I have my customer ID, my customer name, and product ID, order ID, unit sold, and date purchase. And I have my store, which has my product ID, price, and production cost. Okay, then go to my model view so you can see that this table has relationships between them. Okay, so between my customer and my sales, they are both related via their customer ID. Between my sales table and my store table, they are both connected via my product ID. Okay, so let me start this dashboard by creating a title. Okay, so I will call this my sales information. My sales information. Okay, let me okay. Let me stretch it out. Let me increase the font. Um, this is okay. Okay, yeah. Okay, now let me change the background color. I like ash better. Let me bold this. Let me change the color, background color again. Let me change the background color again and like a deep. Yeah. Let me change this color to white. Okay, I think that's a very nice title. Okay, so for my first visualization here, I'm going to be looking for my. Let me drop down these tables. I'm going to be looking for my count of sales. Okay, so we create a new measure. Okay, we'll call this count of sales. Count of sales. What did I just do? Okay, what did I just do? Okay, counts. Count of my order ID. So it's going to finalize it and it's going to save it here. Okay, so count of my sales. I want this in. So let me drag it out. Okay, and I also want to know my customer. So which customer is my biggest customer? Which customer is buying the most products? Okay, so I need to add a legend, and that should be my customer name. No, okay. Let me give this chart a title. I will call this best customer. I'll call this best customer. Best customer. Okay. Okay, everything look nice here now. Okay, let me make it smaller. Maybe when I'm done with my visualization, then I can come over here and start rearranging everything. Okay, for my next visualization, I want okay, what are my best selling products? Okay, that's what I want to find out in my next visualization. Although you might know this from my previous video where where I talked about DAX, but I didn't really visualize that information very well. Okay, sum of products sold. Okay, sum of units sold. Okay, It's going to finalize it, and it's going to save it here. So I'm going to check the box. Now I want product name. Product name. Okay, let me push this number here. What visual? Let me add a legend. Legend via product name. Let me let me add a legend again. Okay, let me give this my chart a title. Okay, best selling products. Okay, okay, I'm going to call this best best selling products. Best selling products. Okay, I'm going to save it. I'm going to keep this visualization here. So, oh god. Okay, now I want to look for my how many customers do I have? That's what I want to find out here now. How many customers do I have? Okay, so I'm going to go to my customer model, create a new measure. Now I want to know how many customers I have now. I'll still come back to this visualization. They're not properly placed. I will still cross check and see if there's any errors. Okay, count of customers. Okay, so I'm going to use my count function. Customer name. Let me use customer ID. Okay, okay, it has finalized it. So I check my customer. I'm going to use a card for this card. Okay, let me keep it just one side. Now let me move on to my profits. Profits. So I'll go over to my store, create a new measure. Okay. When I'm done creating my visualizations, that's when I'll focus more on arranging them. Okay. Profits. Okay, so I'm going to sum my price. You can type it out or you can just select it. I hit tab, count of my price, subtract that with sum of my price. I'm going to subtract it with sum of my production cost. Okay, production cost. Okay, since I'm doing multiplication, then I multiply it with sum of my units sold. Okay, okay, so it has finalized this and it has saved it down here. Okay, let me use a table and see. Wait, let me push this forward a bit. So let me make sure you guys are seeing this very well. Okay, so now I'm going to be using a line chart for this. Okay, so profits. No, now I want to know which customer is spending the most. Okay, so let me arrange that very well. Okay, then I'm going to keep it here. Now I want to know. Yeah, I think that's it. I think that's it. Wait, let me arrange this a bit. I don't think if you guys will be seeing it properly. Okay. Okay, I think this is enough. I think this is enough. Now, for my next visualization, I want to know the profit I made for each product from selling each product. So okay, so my profit, I'm going to check the box, and now I'm going to my product name. So okay, then put legend here. Legend should be my product name. I don't even like all these tiny bars. Product name. Okay, let me first of all start by arranging here. Okay, let me on my data labels for this visualization. Okay, let me arrange it. I think it's okay like this. Product name. Okay, now count of customer. Okay, let me arrange this. Okay, let me profit by customer name. Yeah, this one it is not perfect. Or unless you guys have an other name. If you have other names to call this visualization, now go ahead. I'm just profit by customer name. I'm just doing one that sounds okay. If it sounds good to me, that's the one I'm going to use. Okay, then let me enlarge this a bit. Okay, let me on the data labels for this. Okay, so let me edit this, then give it a different title. Profit by product. Is that okay? Profit by product. Profits. Profit by product, yeah. Again, anyone that sounds great to me, that's the one I'm using. Okay, so product name, profit by product, customer, profit by customer, profit by customer, profit, profit by customer. Okay, it sounds all right. Best selling products, best customer. Okay, profit by products. Everything is looking nice to me here. Both the names, the visualizations, everything looks nice to me. I think that's it, guys. So, guys, I hope you learned a lot from this video. If you like this video, be sure to like and subscribe. Okay, let me fix this. Let me fix this. It's not dragged all the way to the end. Okay, so guys, that's it, guys. Until next time.